Hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. I am again at my hunting property. I haven't had time to get out. The weather's been crazy erratic and just haven't had a chance to make any videos for a bit, so I apologize to that for all my subscribers. At the time of making this video, we're up to 829, so that's awesome. I can't wait to hit that 1,000 mark. That'd be great. But while I was out here, basically what I'm doing is checking on my stands because I hadn't been here in a while. Had an issue with somebody pulling down the ladder parts of one of my ladder stands here last year, so I wanted to come up and check to make sure that they were all still secure and they're all here, nobody was messing with it. I don't live close to it, so I can't check it all the time, but no issues to report. Getting ready for turkey season. I got a couple videos I want to make before that starts. We got turkey season, I think it's like 2 weeks from now. But while I was out here checking stuff, I'm going to cook myself a meal today. So I'm going to create this cup of noodles, spicy buffalo with ranch ramen noodle here. I found this at Walmart, so I thought that was a pretty cool thing. They always seem to be coming out with these random flavors, recently. So I'm going to try that today. I've got my Pathfinder pack stove that I'm going to use. I've got this fuel tank. It's almost empty, but I want to try to see if we can use it up as much as we can. I've got of course, my Destination Kitchen 24. This is my GSI Outdoors kit, which I throw all my utensils and everything in here. You've seen me use that before. And of course, my Pathfinder canteen cook set. So we've got some water in there. So this is just the first video I'm going to make while I'm out here today, and then I think I'm going to make one talking about a kit. I've got a couple bags in the truck that I've shown you in other videos, and I'm thinking of trying to put those together in just a one bag that I can just have in the truck with the stuff I need in case I needed to just kind of hang out and or wanted to go out for a day in the woods and camp out. So I'll do that too. But for right now, let's go ahead and get this stuff started, and I'll bring you right back. All right, everybody, so I've got my canteen cook set taken apart here. I'm just going to cook in the canteen today. I haven't done a real canteen cup cooking in a while. It's just boiling some water and adding in the ramen. So what I like to do usually is like crush this up a little bit if I can get it kind of out of the container and then just shove it right in there. I like to do that better and just kind of boil it all together. That seems to work better for me than just boiling water and throwing it in this thing. I don't like eating out of these things. So if I can crunch it up a little bit here, that's what I'm going to do. I usually cook it in my Pathfinder skillet or my military cook set, but I'm just going to take a break from doing that today and just trying to do an old-fashioned canteen cook. So let's see if we can get that going. So I take the lid off and you can see all the spices and everything, the buffalo, the ranch, the vegetables. There's a lot in there, so I'm just going to dump it all in. I'm sure you can see that, so let's see if I can get these noodles in there. Oh, let's see, get in there. There we go. Well, definitely smells buffalo. Alright, we'll get this in the trash. I'll put that off to the side for now. I got a little on the tailgate, but that's alright. We'll wipe that off. Alright, I got my Pathfinder Bic lighter when I went to the school there for intro. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Alright. Stove's lit. The wind here is out. It's pretty bad today, like I said, but I'm just going to go ahead and get the water out of my Pathfinder canteen. I'm just going to put a good amount of water in there. It all tastes good. And then I've extended the legs on my stove as I've done in the past. I'm just going to kind of set this right on here. And it should balance on those three legs. I locked the handle by using that tab in the back and put one in the slot and then one on the outside. So that's how I lock that handle right there. Let me see if I can pull the camera over here a little bit, see if I can show you that. Yeah, let's see if you can see that. See, like right here, this tab is on the outside, and over here on this side you can see it's on the inside there. So that's how I locked it up. So let me set this back up right here so you can kind of get a look at what I'm doing. Adjust the camera. Yeah, that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to let this water boil and enjoy. I got the lid. I can put the lid on it to make it quicker. That's what I'm going to do. So let's do that, and I'll use one of my utensils here from my kit to stir it. But yeah, there's nothing like having just a little meal in the woods, guys. It's just awesome. So and then the other video I wanted to make while I'm here today is basically trying to get my kits consolidated. I've got these gear bags I've got from Bass Pro in the past, and they have all kinds of different things, and I really want to try to put it all in one of my my old camo bags. I'm going to kind of show you that, but for right now, let's go ahead and let this boil, and then I'll bring it back when I'm ready to do a quick taste test in the stir. So stay tuned, everybody. All right, everybody. Whoa! Look at that. It's bubbling over. Oh, no. I got it on my stove, on my tailgate. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Not what I wanted to have happen. All right, let's turn that off. Oh, no. I got to get a mess. Made an absolute mess. I got to get some paper towels. Canteen cup cooking. This is what happened, so I made a mess. Let me get some paper towels and bring you right back. Well, all right. That'll have to go in the blooper reel. Yep, it just boiled over a little bit. So let me go ahead and take my lid off here. I know this is ready. I'm going to gently lift this up. I got to clean off that stove now. But that's kind of what it looks like right there. Let me see if you can see that in the camera there. Yeah, it absolutely looks delicious. You can definitely smell the buffalo spices for sure. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a little bit here. Take a little bite and see if it's good. Oh yeah, that's really good. Spicy. Noodles are good, vegetables are good. This is really awesome. Oh wow, it's got a really good kick. Ooh, that is spicy. Well, man, that's good kick. Well, like I said, I'm just gonna that is really, really good. So all right, well, again, nothing fancy here, just having a little fun with my canteen cook set from Pathfinder Self-Reliance Outfitters, and really love this. Really good spicy flavored ramen there. So I'm going to eat that for my little bit of a snack here before I head home, and well, I got one more video to make then at home. But thanks everybody for watching. Appreciate it. You know, if you can find that at Walmart, I highly recommend it. It's that's where I got it. So, and I always, you know, check out this good gear from Pathfinder. I love the canteen cook set. I've used it a bunch, so it's awesome. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon, everybody. So take care. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors Camping, Fishing, and Hunting Adventures.